What's up guys, Rodrigo here, welcome back to one more video. As you can see, Bitcoin had this huge pump guys, from the most critical level that we were having down here all the way up to 26,400, 500 once more. But as you can see, we were pretty much rejected by the level of this resistance right here at 26,200. We went above this level, but we didn't manage to close any candle above it. And if we zoom in a little bit and go to the smaller time frames guys, you are going to see, because I'm about to show you, that we had a very healthy short trade to do. In this video, we are also going to talk about Matic and Ada Cardano. So if that sounds interesting to you, smash the like button already and stick with me until the end of this video. And of course, if you're searching for a new exchange to trade guys, I would definitely recommend Bybit for you. This is Bybit, as you can see, a very user-friendly platform that I use already for more than 3 years and I have never had a problem with it. And I definitely recommend it to you, and if you sign up using the link on the description of this video, you can claim up to $30,000 bonus. But unfortunately, not long ago, they started requiring KYC. So if you don't want to do KYC, I would then recommend you to use Bitflex, the second link on the description of this video. So finally coming to the Bitcoin chart guys, I told you that I wanted to show you the smaller time frame. Let's come to the 15 minutes. And you can see right here that we tried to break above the level of the resistance at 26,200 3 times and we failed. 1, 2, 3 times. The third time that we retested this resistance, you can see that we left behind this huge wick to the upside, forming this inverted hammer, plus the fact that we were having bearish divergency. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So definitely we had many signs that we failed to break above this level, and we could, from this point right here, from the closure of this hammer, open a short position at least to the level of the next support. I know it is past already, we can do nothing about it right now, but at least the next time that you are going to see some similar setup, you know what you have to do already. And after all, we had another retest here, as you can see, the fourth retest of this resistance, and we failed again. So it is very probable that the price action now is coming once more to the level of this support guys. And if we fail to hold support at this level, of course we can expect that at some time we are going to come all the way down to the green zone once more. Because you can see here on the past that every time that we failed to break above the level of this resistance right here, we ended up coming to this green zone. Broke to the downside, failed to break it to the upside, ended up going to the green zone once more. So the same similar scenario could be happening here once more. And coming back to the higher time frame guys, I want to show you the VRVP from all these consolidations on that we are having here. And you can see that this green line right here is the most important level of resistance, because it is the place that we have the highest amount, the highest volume traded. And yes, even though we had this huge pump to the upside, as you can see right here, we failed to break above the level of this resistance. Even on the daily time frame guys, you can see that we were rejected by this level. We left behind this huge wick to the upside, and we are so far, the candle is not closed yet, it's going to be closed in 1 hour 30 minutes, but so far we are closing below this resistance. And in order to talk about the continuation of the movement to the upside guys, we definitely have to break above the level of this green level, of this green line right here. Before that, before breaking above it, we can only think about continuation of bearish scenarios. Coming to Matic guys, you can see that we are consolidating right here, bouncing in between the support and resistance. It looks like we are forming this ascending triangle, but we cannot forget that we broke on the bigger time frame. Just a second. On the bigger time frame, we broke this descending triangle to the downside. So the bears are in control of this movement. Because of this, don't forget that there is also the probability of breaking the level of this support right here to the downside and seeing some continuation to the downside. Otherwise, if we are going to break above the level of this purple support right here, most probably then we would come all the way up to the most important level of resistance here at 23 cents. It has acted already as resistance for the price action and also as important support. This green zone is actually the support of the previous descending triangle that we were having. So yes, it would be very natural as well if we would see some breakout to the upside right here to retest the zone once more before finally continue going to the downside. Talking about Cardano, guys, we were, as well as Bitcoin, we were at a very critical level of support for Cardano, and we were also rejected from this point. As you can see, we went up 6.5% from the support. On the live stream that I did, I told you that it was very likely that we were going to have this kind of rejection, this kind of pumpy action. Even though I said that I wouldn't be trading, I told you that it was a very likely scenario. After having this pump, guys, you can see that we came all the way up to the level of the previous lows right here. And we were rejected by it. And it looks like for me that we are actually forming a top already. So let's pay attention here for Cardano. On the level of this support right here. If we are going to lose the level of this support, guys, then most probably we are coming once more to retest the most important support that we are having for Cardano all the way down to 24 cents. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for being here with me until the end. If you like this content, don't forget to smash the like button. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe, hit the bell, and I see you in the next time. Stay focused.